Alt text and the story script are example of narrative text. So, in this video we will learn narrative text. What is narrative text? Narrative text is a kind of text to retell the imaginative or factual story that past tense. Teks naratif adalah jenis teks imajinatif atau faktual pada masa lalu yang rangkaian peristiwa atau ceritanya dari waktu ke waktu yang dijabarkan secara kronologis atau berurutan. Jadi, teks naratif bisa cerita imajinasi dan cerita yang benar terjadi ya. And then, what is the purpose of narrative text? To entertain the readers, untuk menghibur pembaca. To amuse the readers, untuk membuat pembaca jadi bahagia. To teach moral value, untuk mengajarkan nilai-nilai moral. To change social opinion, dan untuk mengubah anggapan masyarakat umum tentang suatu perilaku atau peristiwa. And then, generic structure of narrative text. First, orientation atau biasa disebut pendahuluan. Second, complication atau konflik. And resolution atau penyelesaian masalah. Mari kita lihat contoh penerapannya pada contoh teks berikut mengenai kisah Danau Toba atau Loba Tek. Once a fisherman named Batara Guru Sahala lived in Bataclan. One day he caught a fish. To his surprise, he found that the fish could talk. It begged Sahala to set it free. Sahala did accordingly. As soon as the fish was free, it changed into a woman. She was so beautiful that the fisherman fell in love with her at once. He asked her to marry him. The woman agreed to marry Sahala. However, she told him that he must never let out the secret that she was once a fish. Sahala promised her that he would not tell anyone about it. Paragraf pertama dan kedua ini merupakan bagian dari orientation yang menceritakan tentang tokoh utama, kegiatan sehari-hari, pertemuan dengan istrinya, dan perjanjian mereka. Then, they were happily married and had 2 daughters. Every morning, Sahala went out fishing. Her daughters would bring him his lunch. One day, however, instead of bringing the food to their father, the girls ate it. When Sahala learned what they had done with his meal, he got very angry. He shouted at them, saying, "You behaved exactly like the daughter of a fish." The girl did not understand what their father meant. They went home and asked their mother about it. When they told her what he had said, she was very annoyed, although Sahala apologized to her daughters. She would not forgive him for breaking his promise. Bagian ini merupakan complication yang membahas tentang kehidupan tokoh utama dan keluarganya. Masalah muncul ketika ia memarahi anaknya. Secara tidak langsung, telah melanggar perjanjiannya dengan istrinya. Tokoh utama pun menyesal dan meminta maaf, namun istrinya tidak bisa memaafkannya. Then, the earth began to tremble, and volcanoes start to erupt. The earth cracked to form a big hole. People said that this hole became Lake Toba. Bagian ini merupakan resolution yang berisi menceritakan akibat dari pelanggaran janji tokoh utama. Terjadilah erupsi Gunung Merapi dan sekelilingnya menjadi danau seketika. Sekian video yang bisa saya tampilkan mengenai naratif teks. Terima kasih telah menonton dan mohon maaf atas banyaknya kekurangan dalam berbicara bahasa Inggris.